Hey guys, and welcome back to some weekend cleaning motivation. Today I'm doing a few things that those things that you put off that you need to get done. So those are the things I'm doing today. Starting off with hoovering the sofa. I'm not giving it a deep clean or pulling off any of the bottom cushions, but I did just want to give it a quick vacuum and just a general tidy up. So give this video a big thumbs up if it motivates you to get some cleaning done, and let's get into the video. Today was actually a really beautiful sunny day, and it definitely gets me excited for all the spring weather and just for nature in general just to come to life. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you're looking forward to spring. I did pick up some daffodils there that I thought would really brighten up our living room. Also, speaking of spring, I will have some spring cleaning videos coming up very soon, so definitely look out for them. Next on my cleaning to-do list was cleaning up the downstairs bathroom, mainly focusing on the sink and the toilet. I had cleaned the other bathrooms and this was last on my list, so I just wanted to give it a quick spruce up. I do find if I am short for time or I haven't stuck to my cleaning schedule, I don't beat myself up about it. I just think, what can I get done in the time that I have? One product that I don't use every time I clean, but I love to use every now and again, is the Pink Stuff. We tend to get quite a few hard water marks on our sinks, and sometimes it doesn't always come out, so I do find that the original Pink Stuff paste in the pot is absolutely amazing at getting rid of these kind of watermarks. Finally, in the evening, this is something I like to do every night, is just wipe down all the work surfaces. So after we've washed up and put things in the dishwasher and just cleared up, I'd like to go over everything with the Method kitchen cleaner and then some white vinegar on the hob and also over the sink. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this motivated you to get some cleaning done at the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!